Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I got this box in. I'm going to tell you a little about this box here. I just opened it up. I really didn't look at it. One of my subscribers, I'll show his name up here on the screen, and I'll link him down below if you want to check his channel out. He's been a subscriber for a long time. I seen one of his videos. He got a Tamiya TT02, a special rally edition car, and he got it off eBay, I guess, and it was messed up, and then he got all the parts. They gave him extra parts and stuff. He couldn't fix it, and I felt bad because I knew this guy for a long time. He went to 2 hobby shops, and they both did not want to fix this for him. So let's take a look inside the box, and then I'll probably do a video and see if I can fix it. I told him I could fix it for him. TT02. Here's some parts for it. There's a lot of parts. There's more parts. The chassis. He said he thinks he has to replace the chassis. That's why the guy had this when he bought it on eBay. Taped styrofoam on the car. What else is in here? Got some little dog bones, body washers. That looks like about it. Let's take a look at this real quick. I'll see what I think it needs, and then we're gonna have to get the parts to complete it. I have to let them know that I'm gonna ship this back to them. That's definitely not the right battery tray. It looks like a custom 3D printed one. Let's try to get this off. Boy, this tape stuck to the chassis. Sticky. Lucky we're replacing it. I think we're replacing it. I gotta look. I'm trying to do this at one hand, guys, so bear with me. He taped it up real good. Alright. He said that's a new motor. Make one more tape job here. He said he put in a new motor. Let me see. Looks pretty good. Sport tuned. Everything looks like it's here. The ESC. It's got aluminum upgrades. That's nice. That's what I put on mine. Let me see the chassis here. He needs... Oh yeah. All the drive cups and the dog bones are gone. Oh, yep. Right there. Chassis is done. So I'm going to have to take this whole thing apart and switch all the parts onto this new chassis here. So it's basically like building another car. And this thing here is some custom 3D printed battery holder. I don't know what the guy had before this. I don't know why he would make this. That's strange. Let's take a look at it. Custom battery holder. Huh, I guess it'll work. So yeah, that's it. I'll do a video of some progress at a time till I complete it. Maybe take a few pictures and do a little video of this. And I'm gonna try to get it going. Looks like he has some kind of Tamiya receiver. I'm gonna see if I have an old radio laying around I could throw in here. If not, I'll have to let him know, and you can find a cheap one on eBay or something. One of them Fly Skies or one of those. But yep, it's got all nice parts, aluminum knuckles, everything. Nice shocks. They're the same shocks I got. Just needs the new chassis, I see, and the out drives and the drive shafts. So we're gonna get parts together. I'll have to order them and send them here, or give me the money and I'll order them and get them everything together and fix this thing up for them. Well, that's a scoop on it, guys. This is like a special edition. I forget, it has some body. What did he say it was here? It only came in one spot. What is it? Tamiya Hyundai i20 it is, the rally car. So that's the special one, I guess. But anyhow, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix this for him. And I don't know how long it takes. Like I said, I'll do a few videos of the build, or one. I don't know how long it'll take. And then we'll have to send it back to him, and he could have fun riding around. He wants me to trim the body posts, but I'll have to ask him here. Is this the height that the body's set when you use it? Because I don't want to trim and then I'm too low. If it is, I'll do like too high, so there's like 2. So if you have to trim it more, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's coming up on the channel. Total rebuild and parts galore for this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Shen RC out.